Before you go to bed tonight, eat 1/2 teaspoon of this before, presented by Lumen 5. A newly discovered bizarre tropical fat-dissolving loophole that has nothing to do with dieting or exercise. Jason Mitchell, age 43, dissolved 52 pounds with this loophole. Cheryl, age 54, from Memphis, dissolved 29 pounds of fat with this loophole. One tropical loophole dissolves 2.5 pounds in 24 hours. This incredible fat-dissolving loophole had been hidden for centuries, by a small number of families on a remote Vietnamese island. Try it for yourself here. $80 billion weight loss industry does not want you to see this video and discover the amazing fat melting plant. That every adult human, old or young, lean or fat, man or woman, always has the same number of fat cells, around 30 billion. Fat cells are like. But then in 2021 researchers uncovered a way to actually dissolve fat cells. A 750-year-old fat-dissolving hack from Vietnam that forces permanent fat